Today we are in Crosswell Close, which is in North Petherton, popular with commuters as it's close to the motorway access, so fantastic for getting in and out of the location. North Petherton itself is a lovely little town nestled in between Bridgwater and Taunton. This property is close to local shops and restaurants. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this property. If you'd be interested in arranging a viewing, or if indeed you'd like a valuation of your property, please do get in touch.